The other day, my wife was weed whacking by the water meter and she noticed that the ground was really soggy. So she opened up the lid and it was full of water. We contacted the company. They came out and found that the leak was on our side of the meter. This is the story of how we repaired it without a plumber.
So we have a water leak in our box here, our water meter box. Then come to find out that I can see it flowing in right there. Drain that up, pick that all up, vacuum it up. I see it pouring in. That means the water leak is on our side of the line, which is that side, I believe. So I'm gonna have to dig that up over here and see exactly where that leak is. He said it was a slow leak, but that looks more like a quick leak now than a slow leak. So we're gonna have to shut off this valve right here so no more water comes in from their side. And then I'll have to see what I can do about disconnecting the pipe on the other side and putting in another line, another plastic line, PVC line.
Well, today we got another issue. We actually found out about this issue a little while ago, and let me get around over here and zoom down on this, see if you can see that there is water in there and the pipe is leaking. You can probably see the pipe there, maybe not, but I'll vacuum that out. And right over there inside the meter box we probably have water in there as well. Yep. So I'm gonna have to vacuum all that out and then get to the pipe and cut the pipe and put on an expanding coupling. So I'm going to turn this on and start to vacuum this out. It's already full. Okay, we'll just let that drain back in there. Didn't take very long. This last week actually we had our septic tank pump, and I got a recording of that. I'll probably show you that in another video. Now hopefully I can get this off without dumping this all over the place. If you give me that extender, I'll make my marks. So the whole thing here is to cut probably right about here so this can cover it, and then this thing here extends so I can make this a little shorter. Then I can pull that out, put glue on here and actually have this on there that will extend like that, which is a really ingenious little device, because that way I don't have to dig all this up and try to force two couplings on and another little piece in between. The leak is like right here underneath. So this is our solution. All right, put a little bit of glue on in the center here, in the middle of this, and a little bit of glue on the outside of this. It's got a little dirt in there, but that's all right. And then we just take that, push it down and twist it, and you can see the glue's all in there. I have to cut here, and then if I cut it here. All right, let's see if I can cut this without it breaking. Let's do it this way. Okay. Yeah, nice clean cut. It's coming from the house. Shouldn't be anything coming out of there because that's turned off. Now I'm gonna glue this to the side going to the meter. So I'm gonna put glue in there and glue around here. The other one's still leaking, but that's all right. We'll fix that. There we go. That's good. I'm gonna try to put that around there real quick. And then inside here. And I'll shove that on there. That's it. Now the water can't go in the glue because it's right up against the end of the pipe, so yep, that's good. Now we're just gonna let it dry for a little while. Paper towel, please. Thank you. And that'll be the end of it, hopefully. It's 2 hours later and we are going to turn the water on and see what happens. Of course, you gotta turn this water on slow because this is high pressure water here and we don't want to blow up or bust anything. All right, turn it this way. All right, I hear it. You can see the gauge moving. We've only got it open part way. So far, no leaks. Let's increase the pressure. Hopefully there's not more than 150 pounds PSI actually in here because that's only rated for 150 PSI. So it looks like we're doing good. No leaks. We have no leaks.
Thank you.
Yes. So we'll leave this like that, open, unburied for the day, and we'll see what it turns out like. It's been a couple days and our water leak has been fixed. It's not leaking anymore. It rained, so water got inside the hole down there, and we're gonna go ahead and bury it today, and that will be it. No more problems, no more leaks. We figured we're probably losing about I want to say 20 gallons or so a day. So that definitely affected our water meter and our water bill. So let's start to bury it and bury that problem with it so we don't ever have to see that increase again. All right, we got it all packed in, and that's the end of that. And so what I'm going to do is leave it on top of the meter. That way, when you go to read the meter, he's going to say, hey, there's my tool, or the guy that came out here's tool. And hopefully they'll take it. And if they don't take it, that means they're not reading the meter, which would not be good. Don't necessarily worry about hiring a plumber or a professional to do this because it's really not that difficult. This video here showed you that. So if you can save yourself some money, please, by all means, go ahead and do it. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.